Hi guys, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you the pattern of a Tunisian crochet stitch. So let's see together. Start the slip knot, then chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert your hook into the first chain, then make a slip stitch. Chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip 3 chains, insert your hook into the first chain, then make a single crochet to make a pocket. Insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop. Three times, 4 times. Insert your hook into this circle and pull up loop. You'll have 6 loops and your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 3 times, 4 times, and the last time. Chain 3. Insert your hook into this space. Then make a single crochet to make a pocket. You will have 1 loop on your side. Insert your hook into the 1 loop on your side and pull up loop 2 times. 3 times. And the last time. Insert your hook into this circle and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops 5 times. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And the last time, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then make a single crochet in this space. And repeat. You will see 4 loops on your side. Insert your hook into these loops and pull up loop 4 times. Insert your hook into this circle and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 3, 4, and the last time chain 3, then make a single crochet into this space and repeat again. Continue until the circle is formed. At the end of the row, don't make a pocket. Instead of this, make a chain 1, cut the yarn off, then connect the beginning and end of the circle with yarn and needle. Thank you for joining us today. I'm grateful for your support. Thank you so much for helping me to grow. Have a nice day. Bye.